Hey friends, Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and I'm also showing you a outfit option. So I think this look is perfect for New Year's Eve and night out or whatever you're doing that day. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first I'm starting off with my eyes, and I'm going in with the shade Fresh all over my eyelids, and I'm just going to put that on. I already primed my eyes, so I just want to mention that. Then in my crease, I'm taking the shade Birch, and I'm just going to be blending this all over my crease and everything, just going up a little bit. But I'm not really making this super neat and precise. I'm kind of just making this very sloppy because it does end up working out in the end. And I just always do this with my eyeshadow either way. So I'm just going to be blending this until it's perfectly blended, and that's just our transition. And then we're going to take the shade Twig, and I'm just putting this starting in the outer crease, outer corner, and blending it right in with the original crease color, and then I'm going to make sure to blend those two colors together. And then we'll be going in with the shade Cyborg, and I love this shade. It's like a silver, but like it has like a purple shift to it, which I love. So first I'm applying it is just like plain pigment with nothing, not even setting spray, and then I add setting spray, and that's when you get this wham bam look to it. I love it so much. I'm obsessed with this color. This color literally speaks New Year's to me, which I love. So I'm just applying that. I'm even trying to apply that, kind of like mashing it in with the outer corner color that we already laid down. And then I'm just blending out the edges just to make sure the eyeshadow didn't go up too high. I'm taking this shade Dystopian, and I'm just applying that to my outer corner to add some depth to my eyes. And then I'm taking the Cyborg shade and then a rose gold shade to give it more of a pinky shift, and I'm just taking these and kind of just pressing that into my lid. Okay, now back to the face. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Dewy primer and the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I wanted something hydrating, but I also wanted to glow, so I'm just mixing these together to get that perfect glowy hydrated look, which I love for my dry skin. Yes. Then for foundation, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I really like this because it is full coverage, and for that New Year's night out or whatever you're doing on New Year's, you kind of want that coverage. So this is the foundation I chose to use today. So I'm just putting this onto my skin with the spatula, which I wish they just went with like a regular doe foot, but they didn't. And so I'm just going to be blending this in with my Sona Katiexobeauty sponge, which I love, and I love the full coverage look. Yes, I love this, and especially blended out with this sponge. Yes. And then for concealer, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the Conceal and Define concealer. Mine is running so low. I need a new concealer. So if you have any favorites, let me know. Preferably drugstore, but whatever works. And I'm just applying this to the center of my face and everything, and then blend out the same Sona Katiexobeauty sponge. And this just gives like a highlighted look and just conceals and does everything I want it to. So yes. Then I'm just setting my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder just under my eyes because I still want a cream contour and stuff like that, but I love this for like setting the under eyes and just the face because it doesn't affect my dry skin. So next I'm just taking the cream contour in the Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm just putting it around everywhere I like to contour. So near my like hairline, on my cheekbones, side of my nose, a little bit under my lip because it makes your lips look better. Fun fact, avoid that plastic surgery. And then also on my jawline a little bit. And then I just blend that in with my sponge. Of course, love how natural it makes it look, and I'm just gonna blend this. Then I'm just setting the rest of my face with that Maybelline powder just a little bit slightly. I still want to keep that glow, but I also just don't want my face to be too tacky. And then from the Tarte Pro Glow palette, I'm just going in with the powder contour. So I'm going to be contouring my face wherever I did the cream. So I'm going on my cheekbones, on my hairline, sides of my nose, under my lip a bit, and then of course setting it on my jawline as well. Just all the places we originally put that cream, we're going to put this as well. And I'm going to fill in my brows with my Make Me Brow from Essence. I just love this so much. It just fills in your brows without having to like work too hard. And really, I don't really need much for my brows. A brow gel does me just fine. Then going on to my mascara. And I'm using I'm doing the 2-layer methods because I think this gives me like a great false eyelash effect. So I'm starting off with the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. And then I'm going to just apply that to both eyes, just very slightly, just a little bit. And then I'm going in with the Sephora Lash Craft and I apply that over, and it gives me such a false eyelash effect, which I love. And then I'm taking the Benefit Rocketeur blush, which I love because it has like a gold shift to it, even though I am going to apply highlight because let's be real, we need that glow and stuff. And so then I'm taking the Sephora, this is the cream, a lip stain. I love how hydrating this is for being like a lip stain, liquid lipstick type thing. And this is in shade 40, which is pink tea, and I love this color and stuff. I do have a full size, but I'm trying to use up the sample first. Going back in with the Sultry palette, I'm going to take Pearl and apply that to my inner corners and everything. And then I believe on my brow bone, I used Fresh and Pearl on my brow bone because I didn't want it to be super like shimmery, but I also wanted that matte effect, so that's what I did there. Then I'm just going to use some setting spray. I'm using my NYX Dewy. I need a new setting spray. If you have a good dewy setting spray, let me know down below because I need a setting spray desperately. This one is way too low. Then for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Emerzy highlight, which I love and I'm obsessed with it. So happy I have this. You guys know if you watch my channel that I wanted this for so long, like seriously. And I love this highlight. It's like perfect and it's very universal for like every skin tone. And I just love it. So I'm applying it just everywhere you highlight, on the bridge of the nose, the cheekbones, above my eyebrows a little bit, in the center of my eyebrows, or in the center, like in between my eyebrows. I'm applying it a little bit in my inner corners, get that glow, and on my Cupid's bow and chin. And this is it for my makeup, and now on to the outfit. So I want to go for this velvety kind of look because I really think it's so New Year's. Like, it just sparkles and stands out. So my shirt is from Old Navy. I really like it. It's just that velvety material and stuff. Love it. I will link it down below if I can find it and stuff. I just love how it looks. And my jeans are also from Old Navy, and you get that shot of Cooper and Skoda, which is always so nice. I love Old Navy jeans, by the way. They're amazing. I'll try to link this specific pair down below. And then the shoes I decided that would go great with this look are these ones from Marshalls, I believe. They're really nice. I'll leave the brand name down below. I don't know if I'll be able to link these because you know how Marshalls is. It's just so unique. I don't know how to explain it. And this is it for this New Year's look. I hope you enjoyed it. I love this look, seriously. It's like probably one of my favorite looks I've done, and it's also like, I don't know, it's different from other looks I've done. I mean, I can't really say it's my favorite maybe, but it is my favorite. But like, I love all the looks I've created, especially recently. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below any looks or videos you want to see next in 2019 and stuff like that, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.